Hello guys, long time no see. I've been so busy with uni, but now that I finally have a break, I'm gonna try and make more videos since I know you've all been starved for content. Today I'm gonna be talking about algebra and my many gripes with it. You may have started off learning algebra 1 in middle school and you get introduced to what the concept of a function is. Unfortunately, we do not mean parties. Basically, you plug in a number into this function and then you get an output. Seems simple enough, right? Wrong. You have your normal linear functions y equals mx plus b, but then things start getting a little bit more tricky. You start learning about quadratic functions, which do wacky clown shite. Instead of being a straight line, they're all curvy. And then you also start learning about the infamous quadratic equation. First of all, the whole thing is just straight letters. There's like 2, maybe 3 numbers in this thing. I've seen a lot of teachers kind of just throw this equation at you and ask you to memorize it. Can you at least give me a warning before you ask me to learn Elvish? They'll say, this is what we use to find x. Like, X marks the spot. Once again, I don't remember signing up to be a pirate and hunt for buried treasure. What was you, Thomas? Sometimes they'll also call it the roots of the function. First we're going on a treasure hunt and now we're running into trees? Math teachers really must have a thing for the great outdoors. You may also learn about rational functions and asymptotes. When we say rational, we don't mean things that make sense, because they don't. Whenever you have a polynomial divided by another polynomial, the function kind of starts tweaking out big time and there are parts that keep going up and up and up forever. Kind of like that house from the movie. It just decided it didn't want to be part of this world anymore, so it literally leaves. Honestly, they are so real for that. Lastly, you may have learned about exponent and logarithm rules. When you're multiplying something like x to the 5th times x to the 7th, since they have the same bases, you can just add the exponents together and get x to the 12th. Simple enough, right? Then they start asking you to simplify something like this. Right, and when we've gone back to speaking Elvish, you've lost me there. The worst part about all this is that you can't even escape this like you can geometry. Even at university level math, you still have to apply the quadratic formula.